इस बार हमारे फेस पे परफॉर्म करने के लिए कौन है, हु इज गोइंग टू टेक द स्टेज?
The only challenge that I'm facing is the number of entries,
इस बार सविस्कार पे डिफरेंट क्या हो रहा है?
and I feel this is one good platform for each and every student.
गुड आफ्टरनून सर। सबसे पहले सर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपने बिजनेस के लिए हमें टाइम देने के लिए। तो सर मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे है कि व्हाट इज़ योर विजन फॉर सविस्कार 2025? इस बार के सविस्कार के लिए आपका विजन क्या है?
See, this Saviskar 25, we want students to get a platform where they can learn, innovate, and explore. You know, this is one platform where students from different walk of life, humanities, arts, your technical, non-technical, cultural, and there are different, events that we have for them. And I feel this is one good platform for each and every student where they can, learn, they can collaborate, as well as this is one platform where they can innovate also.
सर मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि इतने बड़े इवेंट्स में लाइक सविस्कार स्टूडेंट्स और फैकल्टीज मिल के काम करते हैं
जी।
तो सर हाउ डू यू सी द कोलैबोरेशन बिटवीन स्टूडेंट्स एंड फैकल्टीज इन सच बिग इवेंट्स लाइक सविस्कार 2025?
See, at CGC University, we have a family environment where mentor, mentees sit together and decide about, what need to be done and what is the need of an hour. And we bridge a gap between what is happening and what is required outside. So this relationship is something very healthy where mentee gets a lot of things to learn from their mentors. And it's a bond which is a very stronger bond here at CGC University. So I feel, we are working as a family. So we sit together and decide as to what is required.
Indeed, sir, we are a family here at CGC University. सर मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि इस बार सविस्कार पे डिफरेंट क्या हो रहा है? What is different in this सविस्कार 2025? लास्ट टाइम से क्या डिफरेंट हो रहा है?
See, we're getting good response as last year in this Saviskar 2025. The things that we've added in this very Saviskar is rather than technical, non-technical and cultural, we added sports too. This was a requirement, this was a demand from the students who wanted to participate in different events, not only technical, non-technical, cultural, but also sports. So we added sports also in this. This year we have total of 40 events in cultural, technical, non-technical and sports events.
सो इस साल आप स्पोर्ट्स कैटेगरी भी ऐड करें
And we added a lot of technical events too.
और तो टेक्निकल्स में भी 2-3 इवेंट्स
जी
बनाए हैं। ओके सर मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि सीजीसी यूनिवर्सिटी की जो प्रो नाइट्स होती हैं वो बहुत ही शानदार और धमाकेदार होती हैं तो सर इस बार कौन आ रहा है? हर स्टूडेंट का ये सवाल रहता है कि इस बार हमारे फेस पे परफॉर्म करने के लिए कौन है, हु इज गोइंग टू टेक द स्टेज दिस सीजन?
See, we have 4 renowned celebrities.
4
One is Kushagra Thakur. He is one of the alumni of CGC University.
ही इज एलुमनाई ऑफ
Second, Sunanda Sharma.
सुनंदा शर्मा।
Right. Then third, we have Salim and Suleiman, the Bollywood sensation. So we have all these 4 performing on TechFest.
स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम बॉलीवुड गाइस वी हैव सलीम सुलेमान ऑन डे 2। सो मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये कि व्हाट आर द की चैलेंजेस यू हैव नोटिस्ड व्हाइल कोऑर्डिनेटिंग इन सच बिग इवेंट्स लाइक सविस्कार एंड हाउ डू यू एड्रेस देम?
See, as far as challenges is concerned, my team is well equipped. I got a very energetic young team of SAC. And the only challenge that I'm facing is the number of entries, the enormous response that we're getting from different states, from different communities, from different students, right? We're getting a lot of good response, and the only challenge is, that we give them that environment which they expect, and we want to deliver more than their expectations.
Students are eagerly waiting to come and participate in Saviskar. सर मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये है कि इतने ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स फैकल्टीज़ मिलकर काम कर रहे हैं सविस्कार के लिए तो सर आपके लिए उन सब स्टूडेंट्स को और फैकल्टीज़ को क्या मैसेज है जो दिन रात एक करके सविस्कार को बेस्ट बनाने के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं?
See, there are
मैसेज है
restless nights, right? Sphere and number of meetings. At the time when the students will be enjoying Saviskar, there are only few who will be understanding that there are lot of days, lot of hard work, lot of sleepless night which have gone into this. And as I told you, I have a beautiful and a hard-working team of SAC students. So I don't feel they get laid down anywhere. So everything goes well, and I expect a lot from my team, and I know they'll be performing more than what is required.
बेसिकली सर यू आर सेइंग वी कैन रिलाई ऑन SAC।
Yeah.
आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हो उन सभी टीम्स को और उन सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स को जो डिफरेंट स्टेट से आ रहे हैं सविस्कार में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए?
So I'd like to convey all the student communities coming down to CGC University that this will be one place where you will inculcate a lot of skills, you'll explore new buddies, and you will take some memories back home, right? And this is a promise from the family of CGC University.
I think CGC is full ready to welcome.
We all ready with it.
सर मेरा अगला सवाल आपसे ये कि हर साल सविस्कार पे कोई ना कोई थीम होती है, तो सर व्हाट इज द थीम फॉर दिस ईयर सविस्कार?
See, the theme that we all sat together and planned, it was the code for a greener planet.
कोड फॉर ग्रीनर
Greener planet. This is a moral duty of each and everyone, to give back something to Mother Earth. So we wanted to contribute as well as dedicate this Saviskar to Mother Earth. So it is a code for a greener planet.
सर मेरा आखिरी सवाल आपसे ये कि जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स या स्टूडेंट्स अदर स्टेट से आते हैं यहाँ पे, तो उनके बहुत क्वेरीज होती हैं, उनका कोई उन्हें इश्यूज आते हैं, तो वो कहाँ जाके उस चीज़ पे रिजॉल्व कर सकते हैं?
See, we have a very dedicated website that is saviskar.co.in.
saviskar.co.in.
So any student who has a query regarding the rules, regarding how to register, where to reach, is all given on our website. The students can log in and check with their tech rules, cultural rules, or maybe the rules for maybe non-technical events. And all the information is available there.
So this is for all the students and participants who are coming from different states, different parts of India. कि अगर आपकी कोई भी query है, so you can go check out our website which is saviskar.co.in.